Alright, so this is a little bit of an update. I had to work and a bunch of other stuff, but I got the spark plugs in, got the coil, whatever holder in, got the valve covers tightened down, everything is back in and good to go. Cleaned out the spark plug well, whatever you call it, cleaned that out. So everything is regasketed and good to go. Pretty much now it's just mounting back up the manifold, which is gonna be so much fun, you know. So gotta get that done. But yeah, that's pretty much all I've got left. Just gotta reconnect the throttle cable, put the manifold back on, put the throttle body back on, do an oil change, and then I'm done pretty much. Reconnect all the sensors. So definitely gonna have to get a new gasket, so I'm about to order one real fast, and then I'm done. I just got to put the belt back on. So yeah, I'll just keep you all busy. So it is not focusing. Hello, there it goes. So got that back on. That hose right there is gonna be the death of me. But we got this, got the top bolts on, got to do the 2 lower bolts. Omar came to help.
It's cold.
It's cold. We got the the fire maker right here.
Shit's on fire.
Yeah, pretty much everything's good to go at this point. So we'll see how it goes.
I heard it when it clinked together.
All right, so finally got it together. Cleaned out the catch can. It was disgusting. Filled up all the tires. Made sure everything's plugged back in.
Does this thing have gas in it?
I don't know. I don't think so. Well, I'm about to try something. All right, so we're about to start it. Just hold it like this. Just don't hold the top. That's where the mic is. Start it. It's all back together. So
yeah. Wait, never mind. Yeah, it just started leaking.
For real?
Yeah. Yeah, it's feeling on there. I just saw it. It just started.
Did you just put it on?
What?
Damn, it is leaking like hell. What is that? Is that oil? That's oil, bro.
Yeah.
It's burning right there on something. You didn't see that smoke
On the header?
Yeah.
Fuck.
I'm not sure where it's coming from. I should say.
Could it be the hole?
Hold on, let's lift it up. So we do have, we're taking that off to check the cam. We do have a leak right there. I don't know where it's coming from because there's no oil around the bottom cover for the front main seal. There's no oil right here for that. So I really don't know where this oil is coming from right now. All right, so now I gotta do all this again, fuck.
Yes.
The front main seal blew out somehow.
You blew the back out on the main seal.
It blew out. I don't know.
2J problems.
2J problems.
Beef on.
Alright, well, I'll catch y'all on the next one. I'm about
I told you this 3 weeks ago, bro. You should have sold it to me.
to tear all this down again. Fuck.